Let me show you the easiest way to print letters on your 3D printed keycaps. It makes my work so easy. Before that, like the video and please subscribe the channel buddy, it helps me a lot. I already wrapped all the keycaps with the sublimated printed paper letter and heat resistive tape. First thing you need to do is remove the fan duct from your 3D printer. Then preheat to 220 degree. Place the keycap on the hot end silicone cover and press gently. Then hold for 15 to 20 seconds. After heated, remove the tape, then peel the sublimated paper. You will get a good impression on the keycap. If you think this helpful, subscribe to the channel.